Hello YouTube, today I'm very excited. I have this brand new M13 and you guys are correcting me all the time. Is that Roshin, something like that. I get this on my comments all the time. I'm Brazilian, so I have a problem with saying this name. But here you have, this is the M13 Roshin. And we are going to do a nice review. First of all, just stop a minute and admire the look of this car. This is a short course truck, 1 through 14 scale. We will go and look around the box so you can understand all the new upgraded parts that Roshin has put into this car. We'll look at the remote, we'll look at what comes in the box. But look at it. What a beautiful car. I love these colors. I like a lot that they put this tags here to hold the clips. Comes with a new set of tires, which it looks just like the same. So I assume these are the same tires. I don't feel any difference in the grip, but we'll take a look closely. In the back here, as you can see, there are so many details on this body. Shovel, fire extinguisher. There are vents here. I don't really know if you need those, but in short course trucks, you can get some air trapped inside the body and it can change your ability to maneuver while you're landing big jumps. Big bumper in the back. And I think this is it from the exterior of it. We'll take this cover off and look at the interior and the construction. Bright LEDs in the front. We will turn this on later. But let's take this cover off and see what we have under the hood. Removing the cover, keep this right here for now. Look at that. Look at how beautiful it is. Aluminum oil-filled shocks. It has right there, you can see nice metal knuckles, front hubs, big bumper in the front, shock absorber. The towers are pretty big as well. As you can see, very solid and stiff. So it doesn't bend that easy, which is good to see. You have a power on and off switch right here. ESC is a 45 amp ESC that has a cooling fan on top. It's a combination of ESC and receiver with a 3-wire servo. I believe this is the 3-kilogram servo that they have in here. And you have the 3100K motor right there. It comes with a nice 2600 milliamps 3S LiPo battery that it is on a hard case. Pretty tall battery. Here's your balancing leads, DINS connectors. As you can see, those red parts over there, those are the aluminum hubs, and front as well, those are also aluminum. Looks beautiful. The drive shaft is all metal with dog bone style connections. There is no sway bar. Suspension feels soft and balanced. Front and rear pretty decent. There are this huge bumper in the back which can take some abuse. So while you're landing, if you have a bad landing, I guarantee that these bumpers will hold the shock. 2600 milliamps 3S LiPo battery, pretty tall. This is your balancing connectors, DINS connectors for your regular connections here. Then you have the 3100 kV motor, 2847 can with a heatsink, no fan in there. There is the gears right there, and this comes with nice 40 CR chromed steel gears that we'll look into the box in a minute, showing right here to you. Let's flip this over and let's look from underneath. You know when a car is great if it looks great even from underneath. And as you can see here, nice, beautiful A-arms, which are exchangeable front and rear. As you can see, just flip to one side and this part could fit in the front right here. From this angle, you can see this beautiful red color knuckles. I love the color. Hopefully these are durable parts. Metal chassis from here to here. I just lost my guideline after sales technical issues, how to do it, and your warranty card for 1 year warranty. So now let's go and look into the box and see what the box says, and we'll come back with the manual, the charger, and the parts. Well, let's do this now. It comes with this wrench to remove the tires, some Phillips screws, some extra pins and nuts. The charger here for the 3S battery may take a long time. It's an 11.1 USB charger, input 5 volts at 2 amps maximum current. So will take eventually some good time to charge. They bring you some nice bag here to store your tools. And what I like about this manual here, colored manual, has everything you need. It's pretty thick. There are a lot of information, the exploded view that we all love, the part list, how to operate the vehicle. So everything available to you in this manual, pretty decent. The controller, it is a well-known controller from HOSIM. You have all your front trim adjustments, power, left and right adjustments as well. So you can limit this so you can give to kids to play with it. Nice foam here, easy to drive one-handed, no problem. I can comfortably fit this in my hand. I have the car on right now and it's pretty bright, but the color, it's not blue as you see in the picture right there. It's more like an amber color, which I like a lot better. And let's see if the remote is connected, how responsive it is. Not the fastest servo, but really responsive, which I like. Throttle, going really slow or going really quick. As you can see, pretty tall grass, but it's going good. It's almost buried underneath the grass here. We're gonna go to the street there. All right, so here we have the M13. Let's go for a run. See what it's capable of. Tall grass goes no problem. I'm gonna be running right here on the street. 3S LiPo. See how fast it goes. Wow. I think I smacked the brakes too fast. But it goes fast, it goes really quick. I can see this car jumping quite easily. It really wants to jump. Such an amazing performance. It drives straight, really easy to control. And it is beautiful, look at that. Wheelies. Now this is becoming my favorite HOSIM car. It drives so nice. It doesn't require a lot of effort to control. And it's fast like a bullet. Look at that. This is so cool. I guarantee it can jump without an issue. So let's go for a mild jump. Oh, hit the grass right there. Pretty durable. That we can tell. And it keeps getting back to its feet. Even though I gave all of these rollovers, not damage anything. That's why I love skid plates on bodies. See how it protects right here? And even the body here is not getting damaged with all of these rollovers. Fast car, fast. Very much fast, easy to control. In those jumps, no problem. The suspension is really well balanced. Wow. This car is really cool. I think this is gonna be it for this video. Let me bring this back right here. So this is the M13, HOSIM M13 short course truck. What a beautiful car, really nice to drive. Really cool car, I'm so happy. If you like this video, please subscribe for more. We'll bring lots of different running videos on this car coming up soon. Thank you very much. See you in the next one. All right, so let's look at the box here. Let's see what they bring. Rechargeable batteries let you enjoy fun of drive. Pretty much all RCs have that nowadays. 40 CR chrome steel helicoidal for your gears. This is a major upgrade. Very good to see this on this car. 1 through 14 scale. This is gonna be really durable. 2.4 gigahertz remote control system. This is the bright lights, the color I have. Roshin 4x4, and the model number is the M13. 14 years of age. I already talked about the anti-collision tail bumpers, the 3S battery, the 45 amps ESC with a heat fan, the metal hydraulic shocks, oil filled, 80 millimeters hub tires, 3 kilograms servo, and then the 2847 brushless motor, 3100 kV. This is the other color that they have, not available right now to purchase, at least not in the Amazon store. M13, and not much else in this view here. I like to give you this view as well because there's so many good information here. You can pause and look how you charge the battery and everything, the connections and how you operate the remote control. It does require 4 AA batteries that is not included, and this is their website. So looking at this other side right here, you have the independent suspension system, 40 CR chrome steel helicoidal front and rear differentials, and solid metal underbody. And the front of the box, nothing new here, 4-wheel drive and all of that good stuff. So I'm really happy about, first of all, the look of this car. I think they packed a lot of great upgrades in this car, and I'm really excited to test this on all different kinds of terrains. I will be running this car for the next few weeks on all different kinds of terrains and bringing separate videos and my true impression of this car after playing with it. I'm really in love with this color combination. I think they nailed with these red knuckles right there. It just looks amazing, and the body sits really well in the car. So let's go for a quick spin and see how it drives.